Beginning of our hosting for the ASEAN, and as I said, all systems go. Happy kami sa preparation.
Ano po yung mga international media na bibisita dito?
Marami tayong mga bisita from the international media, from the NCR, and of course kayo dito sa Cebu and the Visayas. I think more than 500 journalists magko-cover ng event based on the accreditation numbers namin. So medyo marami. But we have to make sure that everybody will have comfortable workstations here at the logistics para na kailangan nyo para pag pinatuloy yung mga story are here. So we're confident that the facilities here at the International Media Center will provide for
Slight problem lang po sa Wi-Fi. Medyo mahina po siya. Opo.
Okay, let me check later.
Sec, for the record, gaano na po karami kaming mga lahat media, foreign, national, local, at kaya ba itong capacity, itong International Media Center para maihatid ang mga mahahalaga mga meetings at iba pa, sir?
Yes. This International Media Center was really built to accommodate the expected number of international journalists. Yun na nga, with the bare bone pivot namin, nabawasan pa yung mga face-to-face meetings. So, medyo lumiit din yung number ng journalists. So, talagang kasyang-kasya kayo dito sa International Media Center. So far, konti pa lang. Beginning today, dadating na yung mga kaibigan natin from the international media from NCR.
Malaking event po sa ASEAN. Ano kaya ang mga big coverages na gagawin na natin mga meetings?
Oh, of course, yung 50 meeting na Thursday, apat na bansa, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines on Thursday, and on Friday, the summit proper, yung all the 11 heads of state summit nila on Friday. So yung 2-day event. Malaki yun, marami yung story doon, sigurado.
Talagang pupunta rito si President Bongbong Marcos po. Talagang may assurance na talaga na po.
Siyempre naman, siya yung host eh. Yun naman.
Regarding sa mga interviews, I know that you have press release and also messages. Are we also allowed for the follow-up also?
Ambush, I don't think makakapag-ambush tayo dahil yung summit this big, medyo control the protocol natin. And sa laki ng media contingent natin, sabi ko nga kanina, iba ipupool na lang natin, full coverage. We have all the media liaison officers here. They have a system in place, how we draw lots for the pool, and after that, we will share the outcome for those pool coverage. We have pool broadcast them, so kung napunta na kasi International Broadcast Center, doon you can get the feed from the pool coverage. No? And in the summit, we will strive to cover all events that are open for coverage. And kung hindi makakapasok yung pool, dito, through our viewing room, listening room, you can monitor and cover the happenings on Friday.
Dagang salamat sa
Ikutin niyo rin.